Nobel Prize awarded for AI breakthrough in protein structure prediction.
Demis Hassabis and John Jumper of Google DeepMind received the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their contributions to AlphaFold, an AI system that predicts protein structures from amino acid sequences. AlphaFold has transformed protein structure prediction, making it accessible to over 2 million researchers worldwide via the AlphaFold protein structure database. The system's significant impact was evidenced by its recognition with multiple prestigious awards, including the Albert Lasker Basic Medical Research Award and the Breakthrough Prize in Life Sciences. Hassabis noted that AlphaFold exemplifies AI's vast potential to accelerate scientific discovery and improve lives worldwide. Jumper emphasized the importance of computational biology and how AI's implementation will revolutionize the understanding of diseases and therapeutic development.
AI breakthroughs recognized with Nobel Prize in Chemistry.
Two Google DeepMind researchers, Demis Hassabis and John Jumper, won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their work on protein structures using the AlphaFold 2 AI model. This model has enabled the prediction of structures for nearly all 200 million identified human proteins. David Baker, the third awardee, was recognized for his advances in computational protein design, contributing to pharmaceutical and sensor developments. The Nobel Committee highlighted that AlphaFold 2's capabilities are transforming research, drastically reducing the time needed for significant tasks. These achievements not only fulfill a long-standing scientific goal, but also have the potential to revolutionize various fields, including medicine and environmental science.
DeepMind leaders win Nobel for AI breakthrough in protein folding.
Demis Hassabis and John Jumper from Google DeepMind received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their work on the AlphaFold 2 AI model, which predicts protein structures from DNA sequences accurately. AlphaFold 2 has significantly advanced protein research, enabling better understanding of diseases and faster drug development. This model has been utilized by over 2 million researchers worldwide for various applications, including studying antibiotic resistance and enzyme imaging. DeepMind's ongoing innovations include AlphaFold 3, which can predict molecular interactions, and AlphaProteo, offering synthetic protein designs for targeted drug development. Hassabis, intrigued by protein folding since his student days, continues to lead efforts toward achieving artificial general intelligence at DeepMind.
Google DeepMind receives Nobel Prize for protein prediction advancements.
Demis Hassabis and John M. Jumper from Google DeepMind have been awarded half of the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their AI work in predicting protein structures. Their tool, AlphaFold, has revolutionized protein structure prediction, significantly shortening the time required for this complex task. DeepMind's latest model, AlphaFold 3, expands the tool's capabilities to DNA, RNA, and essential drug discovery molecules. David Baker, who shares the prize, has developed AI tools like Protein MPNN for designing new proteins and has created custom molecules targeting disease-related proteins. Both teams' breakthroughs promise to enhance vaccine development, cancer research, and the creation of innovative materials.
Breakthrough AI in protein science earns 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry.
Demis Hassabis and John Jumper from Google DeepMind, along with David Baker from the University of Washington, have been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their advancements in protein prediction and design. Their work on AlphaFold 2, an AI system, allows for near-experimental predictions of protein 3D structures based on amino acid sequences, solving a long-standing issue in biology. This revolutionary tool has been utilized by over 2 million researchers for various scientific breakthroughs, including drug discovery and developing solutions for antibiotic resistance. Also notable is Baker's contribution to the design of new proteins through computational methods, expanding the potential for innovative therapeutics and addressing health crises. The recognition of their efforts emphasizes the growing importance of AI in scientific research and its capacity to drive progress across different fields.
Google DeepMind researchers win Nobel Prize for protein structure prediction breakthroughs.
The 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry has been awarded to David Baker and Google DeepMind's Demis Hassabis and John Jumper for their advances in protein structure prediction. David Baker's contributions focus on computer-aided protein design, allowing the creation of new proteins for medical and biotechnological applications. Demis Hassabis and John Jumper developed AlphaFold, an AI system that accurately predicts protein structures from amino acid sequences, achieving results comparable to lab experiments. Google DeepMind has since introduced AlphaFold 3, which predicts protein interactions alongside structures, enhancing its utility in biological research. These breakthroughs significantly advance our understanding of biological processes and pave the way for new therapies and drugs.
DeepMind researchers honored with Nobel Prize for AI in protein science.
DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis and researcher John Jumper received the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their work on protein structure prediction. Their contributions are linked to the AI algorithm AlphaFold 2, which predicts a protein's folded structure based on its amino acid sequence. This breakthrough enables the successful prediction of around 200 million protein structures, a major advancement in biomedical research. The Nobel Committee acknowledged that their work realizes a long-standing scientific goal of understanding protein folding. This award underscores the increasing role of AI technology in advancing scientific discovery across various fields.
Groundbreaking AI applications in protein research earn Nobel Prize.
David Baker and Google DeepMind scientists Sir Demis Hassabis and John Jumper jointly received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their advancements in protein research. Baker's work in computational protein design and the DeepMind team's protein structure prediction using AI have transformed the understanding of how proteins function. DeepMind's AlphaFold models are set to revolutionize the development of therapies for difficult diseases by enhancing protein structure prediction capabilities. The recent version of AlphaFold expands its focus to include biochemical networks like DNA, RNA, and ligands, broadening its potential applications. With the launch of isomorphic labs, DeepMind aims to expedite drug discovery processes, potentially shortening the timeline for identifying new drugs significantly.
DeepMind leaders win Nobel Prize for innovations in protein prediction.
DeepMind's Demis Hassabis and John Jumper were awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their work on AlphaFold, a model that revolutionizes protein structure prediction. They shared the prize with David Baker, who developed computational methods for designing new proteins at the University of Washington. AlphaFold can predict the 3D structures of proteins from genetic information, drastically reducing the time required for traditional lab experiments from years to just hours. These advancements have significant implications for drug discovery, disease diagnosis, and bioengineering. The Nobel Prize highlights breakthroughs in understanding protein construction and fulfilling a long-standing goal of accurately predicting protein structures.
Synthetic data gains traction among tech giants.
OpenAI has launched Canvas, which enhances user interaction with the ChatGPT platform through a workspace that allows for text and code generation. The GPT-4o model powering Canvas was fine-tuned using synthetic data, enabling improved user interactions without reliance on human-generated content. Meta is also integrating synthetic data into its AI tools, notably MovieGen, using automated caption generation and human annotators for corrections. While synthetic data offers benefits in reducing costs and workload, it presents challenges such as the risk of model hallucination and biases that need careful management.
Revolutionizing therapeutic development with TXLLM.
TXLLM is a new large language model fine-tuned to predict the properties of biological entities in therapeutic development, covering all stages, from target discovery to clinical trial approval. Trained on 66 drug discovery datasets, TXLLM demonstrated competitive performance against leading models, excelling in tasks that combine molecular and text data. The model incorporates a specially curated dataset called Therapeutics Instruction Tuning, TXT, which formats critical drug discovery tasks as instruction answer prompts for enhanced learning. Future improvements aim to refine TXLLM's ability to explain predictions and to integrate advanced models, potentially transforming the efficiency of the drug development process.
Geoffrey Hinton celebrates AI safety following Altman firing.
Geoffrey Hinton recently received a Nobel Prize for his pioneering contributions to artificial neural networks, earning him the title of Godfather of AI. In a speech, he expressed pride in Ilya Sutskever for his role in the decision to fire Sam Altman from OpenAI in November 2023. Hinton views the firing as a positive step for AI safety, an area he strongly advocates for. However, the situation has changed, with Altman regaining significant control over OpenAI and potentially gaining equity.
Meta AI expands availability to 6 new countries.
Meta AI is now launched in 6 new countries, including Brazil, the UK, and the Philippines, as announced by Mark Zuckerberg on WhatsApp. The chatbot is part of a broader rollout, which will introduce Meta AI to additional regions, supporting multiple languages like Arabic and Vietnamese by the release's end. Meta AI, which has almost 500 million users globally, is accessible on various platforms including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and has recently added generative features for photo creation and editing.
Google AI researchers honored as regulatory scrutiny intensifies.
Demis Hassabis and John Jumper from Google received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their breakthroughs in using AI to advance medicine and biology. Geoffrey Hinton, a former Google researcher, also won a Nobel Prize in Physics for his foundational work in artificial intelligence, underscoring the importance of AI in diverse scientific fields. While these achievements highlight AI's transformative potential, concerns grow about the ethical implications as regulators consider tightening restrictions on Google's AI practices.
Meta AI expands to 6 new countries, including the UK.
Meta AI is launching in Brazil, Bolivia, Guatemala, Paraguay, the Philippines, and the UK today as part of a broader international rollout. The AI assistant will soon support languages such as Tagalog, Arabic, Indonesian, Thai, and Vietnamese, enhancing user accessibility. Meta AI will also debut on Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses in the UK and Australia, although the UK currently only has voice support available.
GPT-4 surpasses face recognition capabilities without dedicated training.
A study indicates that GPT-4 can recognize faces, identify gender, and estimate age in images with accuracy comparable to specialized algorithms, despite lacking explicit training in biometrics. In tests, GPT-4 achieved 100% accuracy in gender recognition on a dataset of 5,400 images, outperforming the previously specialized DeepFace model, and it showed a 74.25% success rate in age estimation. However, the study also revealed a vulnerability where researchers could bypass the model's safety mechanisms by labeling images as AI-generated, emphasizing the need for further safety research in large language models.
NVIDIA aims to accelerate AI development while reducing costs.
NVIDIA plans to enhance the pace of AI innovation by transitioning to a one-year cycle for new chip production, according to CEO Jensen Huang. The company is creating multiple chips per system and using co-design strategies to improve performance significantly while keeping energy consumption stable. Looking ahead, NVIDIA intends to lower AI costs as the demand for complex reasoning models increases, aiming to deliver high-quality inference without raised expenses.
Meta expands AI assistant across new countries.
Meta's AI assistant will be available in 21 additional countries, starting with the UK, Brazil, Guatemala, Bolivia, Paraguay, and the Philippines. The assistant is set to support more languages and currently boasts nearly 500 million active monthly users. Additionally, Meta AI will be integrated into Ray-Ban smart glasses in Australia and the UK, initially offering voice support.
Writer launches Palmyra X004 Advance in AI function calling.
Writer has unveiled Palmyra X004, a large language model that excels in function calling and workflow execution for enterprise applications. The model achieved impressive results, outperforming competitors like OpenAI and Google on function calling tasks and ranking highly on other language understanding benchmarks. Palmyra X004 features a large context window, supports multilingual inputs, and offers various deployment options, addressing key concerns about data privacy and control for enterprises.
Google TV introduces AI image generation features.
Google has rolled out AI-generated wallpapers for Google TV and Chromecast, allowing users to personalize their screens with custom art. Users can create new images by describing what they want, using templates, or selecting an Inspire Me option for automatic generation. This feature is accessible through the Settings menu under Ambient mode, enhancing the visual experience on compatible devices.